Assalamualaikum guys, this is the Range Rover 2019 model. This car inside have for the radar is problem. This radar is not working. Also cameras is not working. Also inside meter have error is coming. But now I will fix the radar and make programming. Now is everything is working. Also camera is working. Now is everything is good. I put new radar and also I make programming for the radar. Now car is okay. Or this one have for back side for radar for left side, one have for the right side. Now is everything is car is good. Before have some problem. Maybe some people have some problem for the Range Rover. Any problem for electrical, for the mechanical is no problem. You contact me. I will solve your problem for easily.